Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing on this mini toolbox from Kobalt. This is a cute looking toolbox that I purchased for my son. He's 4.5 and he liked it in the store. They had the color black and blue available, and he's like me, he likes blue a lot, and we purchased the blue. Now on the top here it shows different colors that they have, but the ones I've seen in the store is only the black and the blue, but they may have these other ones available online, I'm not sure. But this was $20 from Lowe's. Item number is 5265407, and this is for the blue one. I suspect maybe the other ones are the same number, but you just choose a different color. It has a 3-year warranty, and it has a 5-pound capacity each drawer, and it has some information here. It says it is durable powder coated finish, aluminum drawer trim with friction slides, magnetic drawer shutting mechanism, so that will be interesting to look at. It is 10.83 inches in width and 5.91 inch in and 5.91 inch in height. I suspect the middle one is for depth. This is the depth. Alright, so in the back here it has some more information. This would be cool for my son to put his little tools in there. He's got small tools that he uses from time to time. Rust resistant powder coated finish, magnetic drawer shutting mechanism, full width drawer trim for easy opening, 284 cubic inches of storage space. Alright, so all sounds good. Let's go ahead and open this. Oops, I dropped a screw. This was available several months ago, and it was in the store, like only on our store. Other stores didn't have it, but it was gone after a day or two for some reason, so it disappeared, and then it showed up again. So I'm not sure if they took it out and brought it back, something like that. Okay, the box here, we'll put that side. Actually, let me put this cardboard here so the sharp edges here don't scratch my table. So it doesn't have a handle. I suspect we can put a handle here, easier to use. It's very cute, but I don't want to say it's functional unless you have little tiny things to store. In reality, if you buy little tiny containers like this one to store small things, they probably cost you half the price, maybe like $10–15, I want to say, if you buy good quality ones that are nice drawers. So this is not far off from that, and it's metal, a good looking box. Let me lower the camera down so you see it better. Okay, here it is. I think it would be a good idea to put a handle here so it's easy to open. Here, maybe in the front, you open it easily. Okay, and I don't know, maybe the drawers are not removable. And it has this Kobalt sticker here. Pretty cool. I have some of these rubber feet that you would put on metal electronic switch devices like a switch or something, so they will work here well. I haven't used the ones that included with my switch, so I maybe use them here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. For $20, I think my son would enjoy using it. So it's a good looking box. It has this little thing here. Look at this thing protruding from there. Don't know what that is. Maybe just some paint, but it's protruding there. Alright, so yeah, that is it, guys. Just wanted to show this off. I don't know if it's a new product, so I don't know if it's people posted it on YouTube or not yet, but I've had this for a few months now, so there is a delay on my part. But I'll post this video soon. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video with me. I hope you liked it. It was short and entertaining and useful. If you have questions about it, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will respond back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video if you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it also. Alright, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.